Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified when we publish a new video. The benefits of eating avocados. Filled with vitamins, minerals and fatty acids, avocados are a winning choice for your diet. Creamy, delicious and versatile, avocados can help control blood sugar levels. Avocados are rich in nutrients. Avocados are rich in sterols, compounds that lower cholesterol. They are also filled with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, vitamin C, folic acid and zinc. Gram per ounce, they provide more potassium than bananas. They are loaded with healthy fats. Unlike almost all other fruits, yes, avocados are fruits. These rich, creamy candies are loaded with fat, 25 to 30 grams, about an ounce, each. Since fat has no impact on blood sugar levels, avocados are great additions to a low glycemic (GI) diet if you eat them in moderation. But, you may wonder, what about all that fat? There is a good side. Most of it is monounsaturated fat, the same kind of good fat for the heart found in olive oil. Research suggests that diets rich in this type of fat can help control blood sugar levels. Add a little avocado to a sandwich or any other dish with bread or carbohydrates, and the fat will slow the digestion of the meal, which is sweeter on your blood sugar. It's not a saturated fat. Unlike saturated fat in butter and meat, monounsaturated fat will not increase insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is a condition that makes controlling blood sugar more difficult. In fact, good avocado fat, as well as olive oil and nuts, can actually reverse insulin resistance, thus helping your blood sugar levels. Avocados also contain more soluble fiber, which stabilizes blood sugar and lower cholesterol and protein than all other fruits. Of course, with fat coming calories, then you do not want to start eating avocados with abandon. You probably would not do it anyway, since a little lawyer is enough. Choose a lawyer. To choose the right lawyer, try this. Hold the lawyer in your hand and gently press, then roll it to the side and press again. If it is a bit supple, but the pressure does not leave a permanent lump, an indication that it is too ripe, it is ready to eat. Meal ideas to lawyers. Guacamole is a classic dish of avocado. Add a little curry for an Indian flavor. Hot bean sauce or oriental chili puree for Asian influence. Or basil, dry tomatoes, Parmesan cheese and pine nuts for an Italian flavor. Mash a lawyer and use it as a spread on sandwiches, made with whole grain bread, of course, bagels or English muffins to reduce the glycemic levels of your lunch or dinner. Add the avocado pieces to a salad to reduce the glycemic level of the meal. Adding it to salads also increases your body's ability to absorb beneficial carotenoids, such as beta-carotene, from salad. Smart substitutions. Instead of the cheese in your sandwich, add a slice of avocado. You will replace the bad fats for the good ones. Instead of cheese as a snack, eat a slice of ripe avocado with lemon juice.